NWA Rigs and Coffee, which is an off-road cars and coffee type event. And so for doing that, we're taking the Jeep. Also have some folks from Tulsa coming to get the roof rack, but figured I'd get some video of all the cool car rigs that are going to be there, trucks, four-wheel drive, whatever the hell you want to call them, and get some more driving in the Jeep. Hey, buddy Juan here.
What up, guys?
They run a channel, Steve's Nation. Go follow it right now.
Right now. Stop
right,
what you're doing.
Right now. I'm going to link it in the comments. All right, dude, tell us about this thing. This thing is awesome.
2016 JK 3.6 automatic 373 Willis edition, AEV bumper, the hella headlights, Daystar windshield latches, hella spot lamps, rock hard 4x4 cage, great tops roof. I made my own cab corners, stretched the frame 26 inches, made a flatbed to go with it.
I mean, this thing is awesome. So tell us, how much time do you have right here in this?
I don't even want to think about
hours and hours and hours.
Many weekends.
That's awesome. All right, and so you built the flatbed.
Yeah.
Now,
and even like this is a lawnmower trailer fender. I cut the ends off. I've stretched a piece in the center. It'll clear 35 just barely.
So
split it in half, put a piece on the other side to match.
So here's what everybody's going to ask.
Yeah.
Why? And which we typically say, why not?
Yeah, I wanted a two-door pickup. That's
awesome.
I wanted to work, and my Comanche was dying. This is a replacement for my Comanche.
Oh, cool. That makes sense.
122-inch wheelbase.
So you were telling us how much you lengthened the frame.
Yeah.
Run through that again.
There's 26 inches added in the center between. Yeah. From here to here, I cut it out and replaced it with some more steel. So it's 6 inches longer than the JKU.
Wow. And then you were telling me before I started recording, give us the rear coils story and the coil spring setup.
Coil spring specialties, and they made custom coils for limousines, handicap vans, and I gave them a JK part number, and they added 1.5 inches and 700 pounds load capacity. And right now it sits at 1.5 inches taller than stock in the tail.
Yeah.
And JKU springs up front with a spacer. It's 1 inch over stock in the front. And as soon as I kill these BFGs, I've got new 255/80s to put on it.
That's awesome.
Sitting at home in the shop, just trying to kill these.
Right, just waiting.
Rear drawer. hitch ball,
Yeah.
towing, my pins, everything for my front toe or my tow bar setup. Water valve tool for working on cattle waters. Reach down the hole,
Yeah.
shut it off, turn it
Yeah.
on. Sorting stick for sorting cattle.
Mike, have you seen Richard yet?
I have not.
No, I could probably overslept.
Oh, I'm
Ratchet
sure.
straps, fire extinguisher, just junk.
Right. So you built the better, like you,
Yeah,
you.
I made a bed.
Damn, dude, that's awesome.
They don't make the trucks, so how are they gonna make a bed for it?
Well, and I was gonna say the other side of that is like, you know,
Tow bar, drag it behind tractors, go farm to farm.
well, and typically like a full-size truck or a medium-duty truck wouldn't get a bed that size. So
Yeah, well, it's narrower. It's this bed is a 1/10 of an inch wider than a JKU outside of fender to outside of fender.
wow.
So it's right at 80 inches, and there's 70. No, I don't remember now.
I see the Finnegan Speed and Marine there, huh?
He didn't sponsor that.
Hey, he could though. Hey, if you want to send a check, you just do it to right there. Send
They
him
got
some
the,
money.
The backup camera, it's dirty, but it works. Fuel filler, piece of 5-inch semi exhaust, and
Yeah.
factory filler neck. Airbags quit working after about a year. That's a joke.
All right.
Alice Chalmers roto baler pulls from the wrong side.
Oh, okay. See all this farm stuff I don't know anything about.
I've got an electric fence roller up where I pin in my driver's hitch so I can drive right along the fence. Really, you look silly with 2 and not 3, so
I mean,
you
yeah.
might as well.
Why wouldn't you? All right, now show us why you backed it up, because you've got this crazy. What did you call it? It's for what?
It's my fence fixing drawer.
Fence fixing drawer. Somebody say that 7 times. That is awesome. So this is everything you'd need to repair a fence. And
Yeah, you get a call in the middle of the night, cattle's out. I got lights to light the ditch up, make
Yep.
sure everybody's back in, and all my tools to get after it.
God, that's
Post
awesome.
drivers, stretchers, clips, electric fence wire, both sets of pliers pinned up nice and neat.
Man, that's crazy. That is crazy. I love this truck. Gee, I don't know what you even call this thing.
Pick up.
Right? Wow. So can people follow you? Can they see the stuff you build? Do you have a
No.
Facebook, Instagram, anything like that?
I got
No.
an Instagram, but it ain't nothing.
Okay, well, fine. They'll just have to deal with it through this video. Guys, take a look at this thing. Like, here, I'll step back some. This thing is amazing. a bunch of super cool cars there, rigs, trucks, I don't know what you want to call it. Had a ton of fun. It was good seeing everybody. Ended up with a project out of it. Have a gentleman with a Raptor that wants to do an exo cage for his soft topper bed cover. Going to be a super cool project, probably in February or March. So make sure you subscribe. That's going to be a neat project. We've never really done anything like that. We've definitely done some exo cage work on the cart. So anyways, all right guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.